So this is how you make money removing film. We got the tinting doctor put on the back window. Well, there, but all these they're just starting to spread and run across. We got the tinting doctor blanket on it, and it's a Dupree, just a little pod steamer. It's not cheap, but it's not real expensive either. Take this side of it. So the only drawback is this one is tucked behind the brake light, but that's not really an issue. I'm gonna push this thing off. It's got the adapter on it. It's got a quick connect right here. Squeeze it. Sort of hot. It just pops off like that. Then I'll take this off of here. Put it right on the wheel so I don't lose it. That pops up like that. That pops like that, and you put it like this. That's how you make it make sense. You do that, you got this whole piece, it's not torn anywhere. To lubricate this thing, I'm gonna spray since I can't see behind the brake light from here. I'm gonna open it up with this. So when people say they hate removal, you're gonna get every once in a while one of those that gives you trouble. I tell folks, make it make sense not to do it. You can do it like this.